Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this 2023 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon in black clear coat. With LED reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, body color 3-piece hardtop, tow package, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 23,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rock track heavy-duty part-time 4-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D7590.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.